Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining how the router is used. So essentially, the router is very simple, very basic. And what it does is it basically allows you to complete multiple processes at once within your scenario. So I have it linked here between the Google Sheets module and a Microsoft 365 calendar module and a Microsoft 365 email module. So what this basically does is it takes rows from a Google Sheet and it creates an event and creates and sends an email at the same time. So using the information from the Google Sheet. So basically what I have here is a list of names, emails, subjects, date, meeting start and end times and location. And what I have here in the calendar module is the information linked as well as in the email module, the information linked. You can see that the subject is the meeting subject as well as some body content that says, hey, name, I set up our meeting for this date at this meeting start time. And then I can even add some text that says, hope this works for you, James. All right. And then here in the recipients column, I have email and name mapped and ready to go. So what the route is going to do, and I'll show you guys right now, is it's going to complete those processes simultaneously. So if I hit run, I have it right now set to where it runs from the start. So what I have to do now is add some names. So let's say we add Kevin. I can add a last name as well. Say ransom. Kevin's email. Not real. These are not real people, by the way. I just need a reason to send emails. So if I go ahead and do 2023 109 and then same start time, same end time as this first meeting, and we can just do via Zoom, right? And I hit play, you'll see that it'll scan for the brand new information that I just inputted, and it'll go ahead and send it through as a calendar event and as an email. So if I go to my calendar and I show you guys real quick, right here, the review with Kevin is listed right here. And if I added some other information in the event, for example, in the body content type, or in the body content, I could have typed in the subject and I could have put with and then the name, Kevin Ransom. So let's go ahead and try this again. For choose where to start, I'll go ahead and choose manually. And I'll just do the very last row that I have right here. And then I'll run it again. Same exact thing. However, now you'll see that it has the body content review with ransom. So that's one way that you guys can use the router. Just to show you guys one more cool thing you can do. You can add, let's say I want to send the email to a second person. I could always go into here and add it as another recipient. But if it's another, say it's like a different email service, so Gmail, for example. In fact, I'll actually go ahead and show you guys Gmail, even though I don't have Gmail linked. At the moment, I can do send an email and I can have it connected to the router. So now if I hit the auto align tool, you can see that I can send it multiple different ways. So if I wanted to, I can go here and I can map out the content, add it as a recipient, multiple recipients that have Gmail, what have you. So that's one way you guys can use the router.